Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive. So if you're looking for all that and you found it, and you should subscribe and become one of my little doll babies. If you're already subscribed, you're my doll baby. So hey doll baby, how are you? Thanks for coming back. So happy you're here. So happy you are here. Today is another collab because, you know, in January 2021, February 2021, I'm collabing. Positivity, just all of 21 is going to be positive. Okay? Okay, great. So, today I am collabing on this wig review with OMG, it's Katt. And so if you haven't checked out her channel, please go do so. I will go ahead and link her down below. I actually found her first on Instagram. She does really amazing content. I think that you would enjoy both her YouTube channel and her Instagram page. So go ahead and check out both. I want to thank Katt so much for collabing with me. I'm so excited. We're doing this beautiful unit. I can't wait to see what color she has and how it looks on her. So that is very exciting for me too. Okay, so who are we even talking about? Today we are talking about, and I actually don't have the regular, oh, I have the little stock card, but not the big stock card of her. I'm not sure why. But this is the Janet collection. This is Outre's melted hairline lace front wig line. This is Miss Harper. Okay, and I have Harper in the color DRFF2/cinnamon mocha. All right, so you can see Miss Harper there. All right, and I don't have a lot of the Deets because for some reason I don't have her stock card, which is crazy. I always have the stock card, so I'm not sure what happened to her stock card, but at any rate, we don't have time to be looking for stock cards. We have reviews to do, we have collabs to do, and Harper needs her time. So I scooped her up from Poshmark, but you can get her from Ebony Line, Wig Types, Glamour Trust between $34 and $40. All that will be linked down below. Let's talk about her. This wig is stunning. The color is amazing. I usually do not like this like deep left-sided part, but I really like it. She's a yaki textured wig. This whole cinnamon mocha, cinnamon brown sugar, cinnamon whatever, it's definitely like a number 4 mixed with a 99J, which mixed with a number 2, and then this is sort of like that 350 color. I think it's so beautiful. It's very comfortable. It's a large wig cap, I'm telling you that right now. And the lace, I had to cut off a lot of lace. Like even now, see, you can see the lace is coming down pretty far. So if that's something you're looking for, you will really enjoy that. She's going to be in that 22 inch range. It depends. I'm 5'6.5", and this is where she lands on me. Let's look at her from the back. She is a sort of yaki textured. She's definitely a textured wig. OMGs. Look at that. So pretty. Ugh. She may make it in my long-term collection, which is crazy because I usually only have middle parts or shiftable parts. So I'm not getting a ton of catching. I'm getting a little tiny bit of catching towards the end, but I also did put hairspray in it, so that could be part of it. But it's coming out very easily. I did spray this up and put heat on it so that it would sort of stand up, but you wouldn't have to do that. You could sort of do this like cute little like Jessica Rabbit situation. You could do that in the front like that. Even tuck behind the ear. So she's pretty versatile in her styling. I don't really have any complaints. I did have to add a little bit of dark powder to the part. The parting space was a little bit wide for my liking, so I did do that, but some people have different preferences, so that's no big deal, just to add a little bit of powder. But I do love how she, ugh, look how beautiful. This color is stunning, and I'm not someone that really likes the reds and oranges at all, but this sort of like face framing, I would say it's more of a 350. That orangey sort of sunsetty situation right in the front is just bringing something different to the wig, and I'm loving that against that sort of 99J situation. This is all the hair to the front, so she is she's not a super full wig, but she's got some hair to her. Luster is really great. Like I said, she's a yucky texture. I still think this is definitely a multicultural option, especially if you get her in a color that you really enjoy. You will want to store her on a wig head in between wears and detangle her for sure so that she doesn't get crazed with the tangles, but overall I think she'll be totally fine. I'm going to continue to wear her because I actually really like this. Such a stunning sort of fall inspired color too. Yum. Not that you can only wear it in the fall because right now it's winter, but yeah, I'm adoring this wig. If you have Harper, please let me know what you think down below. Please go check out Katt's page and her review. I'm excited. I'm going to go too. I want to see what color she got. I want to see what it looks like on her and what her thoughts are. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Your skin's electric.